What's going on, guys, and welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on the Ferrari F40 Competición and the Ford Lightning. I had ordered these rims a while ago, even way before I knew that Hot Wheels was releasing the Ferraris. But when I bought this set, the one rim that I just, as soon as I saw it, which was this one, I knew that this is a F40 rim. And I feel like nothing else would look good with these rims other than the Ferrari F40. So with that being said, these are the ones we're gonna put on the Ferrari. As far as the Lightning goes, the one that I was thinking about doing was these. Gunmetal or these multi-spoke ones. But with that being said, let's just get to it. And we're gonna do the no drilling rims today. So let's get started. Now remember, to cut the axles, you're gonna need like a towel or something because these like to fly. Ooh, I wonder if it's gonna work because now that I'm noticing, these are wider. You see how these are a little bit more wider? So let's see how it turns out. Hopefully it'll turn out really nice. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks gonna look very nice. You know what, guys? Again, I'm not sure why I'm so scared to do glue, but I did open up that glue. Let me go grab it. And this is the glue that I'm going to be using, the Gorilla Glue. Let's see how good it really is. Now, they basically just use this as like to add the glue. I don't think you really need to. Now, I guess if you were trying to pinpoint like a small amount. Oop. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me go grab something real quick. Let's see how it will look with some red center caps. Ooh, what do you guys think? Nice little detail right there. Sorry guys, I had to do that one off camera so I could get it in there just right. That looks pretty good. You know what? Let me paint these real quick so that way they're dry by the time we're ready for them. Man, that looks nice. All right, let's finish it up with the other side. All right, and now for the truck. I'm starting to think these will look better. Man, that looks pretty nice. And that's pretty much it, guys. I know the rims are simple and the whole process is simple, but I feel like the simplicity is what makes it pop a lot. And man, I just think it looks really, really good with these rims. And that's going to do it for this time. And as always, happy hunting.